Today, I will show you my paper doll cutouts and their clothes. I have a few dolls here. I've already cut out a doll with long black hair. I also cut out a blouse, top, shorts and her backpack. Then, I glue the pieces onto the doll. It's a great fun. Sometimes you have to cut the clothes to make them look nice. There are different combinations here, different backpacks and bags. It's great fun for everyone and a nice way to spend some time without your phone screen. I hope you like it. See you soon!